Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. You keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Clubhouse. Or just click on search, then here add Clubhouse. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. You just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Clubhouse. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.